Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use login with Amazon. Now here's a step-by-step guide on how to use login with Amazon for signing into apps or websites that support this feature. The first thing you need to do is to open the website that offers the login with Amazon option during the sign-in process. Okay, so look for the login with Amazon button, which is usually prominently displayed on the login page, and click on the button to initiate the login process. That's it. So open the app or website that offers login with Amazon option during the sign-in process. Look for the login with Amazon button, which is usually prominently displayed on the login page. Now click on the button to initiate it. If you are not already logged in, you'll be redirected to the Amazon login page. Now, enter your Amazon account email or mobile number and password and click on Sign In. Then the app or website may request permission to access your Amazon account information, like your name, email, and shipping address. Go ahead and review the permissions being requested and click on Agree or Authorize to proceed. After granting permissions, you'll be redirected back to the app or the website. You may be automatically logged in, or you might need to complete any additional steps required by the specific app or website. Once logged in, you can access the feature of the app or website as a registered user. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Amazon account, you may need to enter a verification code sent to your registered mobile number or email. If you don't have an Amazon account, you will be prompted to create one after clicking the Log In with Amazon button. And that's it. You've successfully used Login with Amazon to sign in to an app or website. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom again to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.